আমাদের এই ভারতের মতো এত বৈচিত্র্যে ভরা দেশ পৃথিবীতে খুব কমই আছে। ভারতের দক্ষিণ পশ্চিমে অন্ধ্রপ্রদেশ এরকমই বৈচিত্র্যে ভরা একটা রাজ্য। বৈচিত্র্যের ভূগোলে, প্রকৃতিতে, এমনকি ইতিহাসে।
As Agra is identified by the very famous Taj Mahal, similarly, Charminar is the landmark of Hyderabad. Charminar was built in the center of the city by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. The Makkah Masjid is almost opposite the Charminar. Bricks of the main arch were brought from Mecca. That is why it is named Makkah Masjid. The Nizam Palace or the old Haveli is very close to this masjid. Nizam Palace was built by the second Nizam, Asaf Zahi, in 1750. The architecture is European. Salarjung Museum. This statue has both the male and the female forms. Many 19th century paintings are here. 10 kilometers out of Hyderabad city is the Zoological Park. Hyderabad looks beautiful at nightfall. The famous biryani of Hyderabad. 13 kilometers from Hyderabad city, the Golconda Fort is the highest fort in South India. In 1143, Raja Pratap Rudradev of the Warangal Kakatiya dynasty built this fort on the hilltop. The fort went to the Bahamanis and then came back under Sultan Quli of the Bahamani kingdom. At the beginning of the Qutub Shahi dynasty, the fort was rebuilt in granite. Night in Golconda. This is Lake Cherubu. Water from this lake was lifted to the Golconda fort. The graveyard of the Qutub Shahi dynasty. The Qutub Shahi tombs. The industrial village in Hyderabad. The museum. The Ramappa temple in Palampet village. In 1213, Rachel Rudradev, during the reign of the Kakatiya king Raja Ganapati Dev, built this temple of Lord Shiva. The temple with 1,000 columns near Warangal town was built by the Kakatiyas. The Warangal fort was also here. On the Bay of Bengal, in the shade of the Eastern Ghats, is Vizag, the second largest city of Andhra Pradesh and its main port. In the distance is the Dolphin's Nose. Shimachalam Temple on the Eastern Ghats, 16 kilometers away from Vizag. Bhimunipatnam or Bhimli Beach, as it is called, is 35 kilometers away from Vizag. The supply of fish from Bhimli Beach is sent from here to different places in the east. The Dutch graveyard at Bhimli. Totlakonda, ruins of the Buddha Vihara. Kailashgiri. The Araku Valley on the Eastern Ghats is 122 kilometers from Vizag. Bora Caves, 300 feet under the hills. Thousands of years old natural caves discovered only in 1957. the Dhimsa dance by the natives of the Araku Valley. The Krishna River flows through the Vijayawada town, surrounded by hills. The Kanakadurga temple in Vijayawada. Buddhist monks used to live here. Unda Valley Caves is on the hills by the side of the Krishna River, 8 kilometers from Vijayawada.